How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the VGA USB circuit board from a Dell Latitude 3488. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and lift hinge from motherboard. Then unscrew and disconnect VGA USB circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.